Ace Dance PH Diabas. Sixth place, 86. Ken Calvin O'Malley and Hannah Faith Alclay of Laia Aplaya Dance Team. Fifth place, 88. Bench Paul Fernandez and Clarice Guenguela of Laia Aplaya Dance Team. Fourth place, 174. Hughes Gray Bay and Maria Garcina Cassandra Domingo of Dance Sport Society of San Chodoro. Third place, 40. Gabriel Hans Cruzado and Avril Valencia of Credo Dance Studio. Second place, 168. Chris Escudero Mercado and Catherine Quinto of Dance Sport Society of San Chodoro. And our champion for Junior 1B Standard, 138. John Rafael Recurso and Noemi Camar of Mandaluyong Tiger City Dance Sport Team. Up next, event 42. 40. Gabriel Hans Cruzado and Avril Valencia of Credo Dance Studio. Fourth place, 205. Kristen Gian Alabado and Maria Angelica Baher of Team 116. Third place, 138. John Rafael Recurso and Noemi Camar of Mandaluyong Tiger City Dance Team. Second place, 207. Josh Duran and Maria Reina Mir Atanke of Team 116. And our champion for Juvenile Junior 1A Standard, 85. Aiden Benedict Atienza and Sheena Angela Ortega of Calaban City Dance Team.
Nice one, Aiden!
Congratulations for our Junior 1A Standard. Up next, Junior